How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2019 Nissan Kicks SV. Let me show you around this compact SUV. So you have these real nice alloy wheels with the black wheel well trim. One owner, accident free. This is also certified pre-owned unit. Coming into the back here, got the 60/40 folding rear seats, and you also have your cargo cover. 1.5 liter 4-cylinder underneath the hood with a CVT transmission, getting you roughly 7 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers. And coming into the interior here, we got the nice two-tone door panels. You got your mirror and window controls. These premium cloth seats. You got your audio and hands-free controls on the steering wheel here. Traction control. Underneath here is your gas and hood. Infotainment screen. You got your dual zone climate control, USB and auxiliary input along with your 12 volt start engine, gear select, cup holders in the middle there, and you also have 2 more charging inputs back here. Kilometers on this unit currently is 32,365. Coming into the back seat here, like I said earlier, 60/40 folding rear seats. To bring them down, there's just this knob up here. Got decent amount of leg space as well. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2019 Nissan Kicks SV. For more information on this compact SUV, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.